Build muscle after 60 isn't just possible, it can happen faster than you think if you choose the right protein. If you've been eating eggs every morning, believing they're your best muscle fuel, I have news that could change your next decade. After 60, your muscles enter a high-risk zone. They break down faster, recover slower, and need more than just protein. The wrong choice, even if it's healthy, can block growth signals and waste precious time. But the right protein, at the right moment, can flip your body back into growth mode within weeks. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful protein sources most seniors overlook, and why they can outperform eggs in strength, recovery, and independence. Keep watching, because by the end, you'll have a clear, simple plan to feed your muscles every hour of the day and protect the strength you still have. Protein 1. Fermented tempeh protein plus probiotics, the double builder. If you're over 60 and you've noticed slower recovery after even mild activity, climbing stairs, gardening, or walking, it's not just age catching up. One hidden factor could be poor gut health, which silently lowers the amount of protein your body can actually use. Tempeh is a fermented soy product originating from Indonesia. Unlike tofu, tempeh is made from whole soybeans, which are naturally rich in complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. The fermentation process is key here. It breaks down complex soy proteins into smaller peptides and amino acids, making them easier to absorb for older adults whose stomach acid production has dropped by up to 40%. Fermentation also produces probiotics, beneficial bacteria that improve the gut's ability to absorb nutrients, not just from tempeh, but from everything you eat. Tempeh also contains isoflavones, plant compounds shown to reduce inflammation in muscle tissue, and manganese, which supports muscle enzyme function. For muscle building, aim for 100–150 g of tempeh per meal, 3–4 times per week. Steam or bake it rather than deep fry to preserve probiotics. Marinate with turmeric, garlic, and lemon juice. Turmeric fights muscle inflammation, garlic improves circulation, and lemon boosts iron absorption. Tempeh can be diced into salads, stir-fried with vegetables, or crumbled into soups. Combining tempeh with vitamin C-rich vegetables like bell peppers or broccoli can further improve iron uptake and support collagen formation in connective tissue. If you have a history of thyroid issues, balance tempeh intake with other protein sources, as excessive soy can interfere with thyroid hormone absorption in some people. For best probiotic benefits, buy minimally processed, fresh tempeh rather than prepackaged versions that have been pasteurized. Always store tempeh in the fridge and consume within a week for maximum nutritional potency. Tempeh gives you 2 builders in one: high-quality plant protein and probiotics that unlock better use of every bite you eat. It's a strategic addition for anyone over 60 who wants to rebuild muscle without relying solely on animal products. Coming up next, we'll look at a protein that's fresh, green, and loaded with leucine, and it's ready in just minutes. Protein 2. Edamame green pods muscle power. You finish a short walk or light housework, and your legs feel heavier than they should. That heavy leg feeling could be an early sign that your muscles aren't getting enough leucine, the amino acid on switch for muscle building, at each meal. Edamame are young, green soybeans harvested before they harden. Unlike mature soybeans, edamame have a softer texture and a slightly sweet, nutty taste. But here's the real advantage. They're packed with all 9 essential amino acids and a particularly high leucine content, averaging 1.5 grams per cup. For adults over 60, hitting around 3 grams of leucine per meal is crucial to trigger muscle protein synthesis. Edamame also carry plant-based omega-3s that help reduce low-grade inflammation, magnesium for muscle contraction, and folate for protein metabolism at the DNA level. Because they are less processed than tofu or soy protein powders, edamame retain more vitamin C and K, which support collagen formation and bone health. A practical serving is 1-to-1. 5 cups of shelled edamame per meal, 3-4 times per week. Steam for 5-7 minutes to preserve nutrients, then sprinkle lightly with sea salt or sesame seeds for flavor. Pair with whole grains like brown rice or quinoa to create a sustained release of amino acids. For an absorption boost, add a squeeze of lemon or a handful of cherry tomatoes. The vitamin C improves iron absorption from the beans. Edamame also work well as an afternoon snack to keep amino acid levels steady until dinner. For those with kidney disease or impaired kidney function, watch your total protein intake, even plant-based protein, and consult your doctor about safe serving sizes. Choose unsalted, plain edamame over pre-seasoned frozen varieties that may contain excess sodium or additives. If you have thyroid concerns, balance soy intake across the week and avoid consuming all soy sources in a single day. Edamame delivers a rare combination for seniors: high leucine, full amino profile, and anti-inflammatory fats, all in a fresh, easy-to-chew package. It's a green, tasty way to hit your muscle on switch without heavy cooking. Next, we'll explore a lean animal protein that's as gentle on the digestive system as it is powerful for your muscles. Protein 3. Lean free-range chicken, clean strength, light digestion. If you've been avoiding meat because you think it's hard to digest after 60, there's one lean option that often surprises my patients. Skinless, free-range chicken breast offers a concentrated dose of high-quality protein without the excess saturated fat that can burden the heart. For many older adults, it's the perfect bridge between plant-based proteins and heavier animal meats, delivering strength without heaviness. Lean chicken is rich in branched-chain amino acids, leucine, isoleucine, and valine, that directly stimulate muscle protein synthesis. A 100 g serving provides about 2.5 g of leucine, nearly hitting the 3 g threshold needed to switch on muscle growth after 70. It's also a natural source of vitamin B6, which is essential for glycogen storage in muscles, and selenium, which works with vitamin E to protect muscle tissue from oxidative stress. Unlike many processed meats, fresh chicken contains minimal sodium and no hidden preservatives, making it easier to integrate into a heart-healthy diet. To maximize benefits, aim for 100-120 g of cooked chicken breast per meal, 3-5 times a week. Poaching, baking, or steaming retains more moisture and preserves amino acid quality better than frying or grilling at high heat. Pair chicken with anti-inflammatory sides, like steamed spinach or roasted bell peppers, and a small portion of complex carbs such as quinoa or sweet potato to support glycogen replenishment. Adding a squeeze of lemon juice before serving not only brightens flavor, but also aids iron absorption from the meat. People with gout or high uric acid should keep portions moderate and balance chicken intake with plant-based proteins to reduce purine load. Always choose fresh, preferably free-range chicken over frozen or heavily processed cuts. Avoid eating the skin regularly, as it adds unnecessary saturated fat without improving protein quality. If you have chewing difficulties, shredded poached chicken mixed with soft vegetables can make the meal both protein-rich and easy to swallow. Lean chicken gives you a clean, efficient protein source that builds muscle without weighing down digestion. For seniors, it's a way to enjoy the benefits of animal protein while still protecting heart health. In the next section, we'll turn to a dairy protein that's surprisingly dense, flavorful, and loaded with minerals your muscles crave. Protein 4. Parmesan cheese, dense flavor, strong bones and muscles. Many people think cheese is just a treat or a guilty pleasure, but certain cheeses are actually concentrated nutrient packages. Parmesan, in particular, stands out for seniors because it delivers one of the highest protein-to-weight ratios of any cheese, around 10 grams of protein in just 1 ounce. That means even a small sprinkle can meaningfully contribute to your daily muscle-building goals without adding large meal volumes, which is important if your appetite has decreased with age. Parmesan is made from aged, partially skimmed cow's milk, which concentrates not only protein, but also calcium and phosphorus, the two minerals that work together for muscle contraction and bone strength. It also contains a natural source of glutamate, giving it a savory umami taste that makes vegetables and whole grains more appealing, helping you eat balanced meals. Because it's aged, Parmesan is virtually lactose-free, making it well tolerated by most people with lactose sensitivity. A practical way to use Parmesan is to add 1–2 tablespoons of freshly grated cheese over salads, soups, or roasted vegetables. This small addition can add 3–6 grams of high-quality protein plus a calcium boost. Pairing Parmesan with vitamin K-rich greens, such as kale or spinach, supports better calcium utilization. For pasta lovers, swap heavy cream sauces with a light drizzle of olive oil and Parmesan for a heart-healthier dish. For those with high blood pressure, watch your total sodium intake since aged cheeses can be salty. Buying a block of Parmesan and grating it yourself often results in fresher flavor and allows you to control the portion more precisely than pre-grated varieties. If you're aiming to increase protein without adding too much fat, remember that Parmesan is naturally lower in moisture and fat than softer cheeses, making it more protein-dense per gram. Parmesan offers seniors a compact way to add protein, calcium, and flavor in one move. It's ideal for those who need nutrient density without large portions or heavy cooking. Coming up, we'll look at a humble seed that hides an impressive amount of muscle-protecting antioxidants and healthy fats. Protein 5. Sunflower seeds. Small seeds, big strength. Most people think of sunflower seeds as just a snack for passing time, but for seniors, they can be a compact, powerhouse source of muscle nutrition. Just a quarter cup delivers around 7 grams of plant-based protein along with vitamin E, magnesium, and healthy fats. This combination not only fuels muscle repair, but also shields muscle cells from oxidative stress, which becomes more damaging as we age. Sunflower seeds are especially rich in vitamin E. 1 ounce covers more than 75% of your daily needs. Vitamin E works with selenium to form glutathione peroxidase, an antioxidant enzyme that directly protects muscle fibers from damage during activity. They also contain significant amounts of magnesium, which is required for every muscle contraction, and copper, which supports collagen and elastin formation in connective tissue. The plant protein in sunflower seeds has a balanced amino acid profile when combined with grains or legumes, making it versatile for meal planning. To get the most benefits, choose raw or dry roasted sunflower seeds without added salt or sugar. Aim for 2–3 tablespoons daily, either as a snack or sprinkled over salads, oatmeal, or yogurt. Grinding them lightly before adding to smoothies can make nutrients even more bioavailable, especially for those with reduced chewing ability. Pair sunflower seeds with vitamin C-rich fruits like strawberries or kiwi to enhance iron absorption, which supports oxygen delivery to muscles. People with nut or seed allergies should introduce sunflower seeds slowly and watch for any reactions. Because they are calorie-dense, keep portions moderate if you're managing weight. Store seeds in an airtight container in the refrigerator to prevent the healthy fats from going rancid, which can happen more quickly in warm climates. Sunflower seeds offer seniors an easy, portable way to add protein, antioxidants, and minerals in one bite. They are the kind of everyday habit that quietly supports muscle strength, joint health, and overall vitality. With these 5 protein sources in your toolkit, you can build and protect muscle well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. If you take one thing from today, let it be this. After 60, muscle loss isn't inevitable, it's a choice. With the right proteins at the right time, you can rebuild strength, protect your independence, and keep doing the things you love well into your later years. These 5 protein sources are simple, accessible, and proven to work for older adults. Now, it's up to you to put them on your plate, starting with your very next meal. Before you go, hit the like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe so you won't miss my upcoming guide on 3 morning habits that double your energy after 60. You can also watch this related video right now. Seniors, 7 muscle-killing mistakes you must avoid. I'm here to share education, not to diagnose or treat your specific condition. If you have chronic health issues, especially involving your heart, kidneys, or metabolism, please talk with your healthcare provider before making major dietary changes.